To fix the issue of Cash App saying this card can't be added, follow these steps. First, ensure your card is eligible for use with Cash App. Cash App accepts most debit and credit cards from major card networks like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. However, some prepaid cards and cards from specific banks may not be supported. Next, check if your card information is correct. Double-check the card number, expiration date, and CVV to ensure they are entered accurately. A single mistake can prevent the card from being added. If you have verified that your information is correct, try re-entering it to rule out any typo errors. Another common issue is that your card may be expired or closed. If your card has expired or been closed, you will need to obtain a new card and then try adding it to Cash App. Additionally, some cards may have restrictions on online transactions or specific app usage. So it's a good idea to contact your bank to see if there are any restrictions on your card. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try resetting your Cash App account or uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Sometimes, a simple reset or reinstall can resolve technical issues that may be preventing your card from being added. It's also important to note that Cash App has certain requirements for adding cards, such as the card must be in your name and you must be at least 18 years old. If you're still having trouble, consider reaching out to Cash App support for further assistance. They can provide more specific guidance and help resolve the issue. By following these steps and best practices, you should be able to successfully add your card to Cash App.